Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me here for another episode here on Hungry for Returns, where I answer your trading and investing questions. If you have a trading and investing question you want answered in detail by video, you could submit a question by voice on our website at tradersfly.com. Now, once that's done, we can go ahead and answer your question. So this week's question is about GTC orders, or just putting in an order, being a little bit more of a day trader. So take a listen and we'll go from there.
Hi, Sasha. My question is, if I have already placed an order and it has been executed, and now I'm trying to sell it, but I think I'm at present, as of this morning, considered a day trader because of the amount of trades I made. Will my order that is up for sale go through, or will it just sit there until a certain number of days has passed?
Okay, so let's take a look at this. Really, there's a couple of things here missing maybe in the question, I think. So depending on if you're flagged as a day trader, there's nothing wrong with that, so long as that the amount of funds that you have in your account is over 25,000. And in that case, you could go ahead and trade as much as you want. So as long as that fund amount stays above that 25,000 level, then it doesn't matter. But yes, your account will be flagged as a pattern day trader in the trading panel and platform. Now, once you've done a certain amount of trades, typically the order, when you put the order in, it's going to kind of hang around there for the day. And the reason I say that is because no matter what stock you're trading in, let's just look at Harley Davidson here. If I go ahead and buy this order and I go Harley Davidson, I want to buy some shares. Let's say I'm looking to buy one share. Okay, remember, it typically puts the order in as good for the day. So once the day is ended, that order is going to close out. So even if your order is not allowed to go through, then depending on the brokerage platform, then what's going to happen is that order is going to cancel out anyway for the day. Then after that, you got to put a new order in whenever you're capable and it's possible for them to execute your order. For some trading platforms, they just won't even let you put the order in. Other platforms, they'll let you put the order in and it'll just linger and hang out. So that depends broker to broker from my understanding. So to kind of, if your panel allows you to put the order in, to combat this issue, you could put it in good till cancel. So that means it would just stay in there the second day, the third day, the fourth day. So let's say if I'm looking to buy this stock, doesn't matter if you're buying or selling, and I go ahead and put a GTC order, that means good till cancel, right click, confirm and send that in. So now this order is kind of sitting and working, and it's just doing its thing. So it's working, hasn't hit the price yet, right? So that could be the same way where, hey, your order's not allowed to go through up until, well, until your day trading obligations have ran their course and now you are allowed to. If this was good for the day, at the end of the day, this order would cancel out and it'd be done, and then you'd have to put a new order in the next day. So that's kind of basically the way you do the orders. But if you're interested in just keeping the order in there, then you could do a GTC order, and that way the order just sits and kind of marinates there, and whenever you're either capable or it hits your price or whatever the factors line up, then the order would get executed. Now, every trading platform is a little different. Every broker is a little different. I don't know your personal requirements. I don't know if you're just flagged as a pattern day trader, or you have over 25,000, or you've hit your limit and you're not allowed to do more trades. Everybody's situation is different. So the best approach is to pick up the phone and call your broker and have them take a look at your account, and then you can ask them some specific questions. So that way they're looking at your account, you can ask them a question, they can tell you how it would work, and the process of either getting that trade executed or letting it run its course for the next second, third, or fourth day, depending on how long you have to wait. So I hope this was helpful, gave you some insights and some things to think about. Now, if you want to go ahead and ask a question, feel free to visit our website and join our newsletter list, where I send out announcements once a week about some of the new content that we've released, as well as some promotions on our maybe courses, books, and other cool things that we are set to release. Otherwise, if you just want to hang out on YouTube, then hit the subscribe button on the face here. Thanks for joining me, and in the end, remember, do what you love, contribute to other people, but most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time.